In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on battery share on your Google Pixel. Let's get into the method. The easiest way to enable it is in the Quick Access panel. Swipe down from the top of the screen twice to access this, then look through the buttons for the battery share or power share button. If you don't see it, tap on the pencil icon in the bottom right to add the button. If you still don't see the button, your phone might not support this feature. Tap on the button to turn it on. You can also turn on battery share by opening the Settings app, then choose Battery from the list, and then Battery Share. Here you can turn it on and also change the settings for it, for example when it might disable automatically or for it to turn on automatically. Place a chargeable device on the back of your phone to charge it. That's how to turn on battery share on your Google Pixel. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.